Hey there everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna try and do a short quick update on a few things, mostly my truck, but also some new stuff from AMSOIL. So the first thing I want to start out with is, we had some nice weather over the weekend, so I was able to get an oil change done on the truck. If you watched the last video, you'd know that I was on the fence about changing again with AMSOIL, or possibly running Pennzoil Ultra Platinum for a couple of changes. And I was gonna bring one of the bottles with me to show you, but so I ended up buying some Pennzoil Ultra Platinum to run in the truck, and I'm gonna do two changes. Currently I have the Wix 57060 filter on, and then the next time I change, I'm going to put an EAO 11 filter on, just so that I have a second data point for comparison between those two filters. This summer we're probably going to be a little lighter on towing, unfortunately, but this truck will still be daily driven, and we'll probably put a couple of longer trips on it, I have a feeling. So that's it for the update on the RAM. So for an update on some AMSOIL stuff, for the longest time, the only oil that's been available for the 6.4 liter Hemis from AMSOIL has been the Signature Series 040. Well, everyone's complaint is always that it's so expensive. Well, you guys can stop complaining that it's so expensive now. Because AMSOIL has, starting this month, March of 2024, AMSOIL has introduced a OE 0W40. Now, one thing I want to make clear on this is AMSOIL is going to continue recommending the Signature Series oil for the 6.2 motors and all the other things. It's only the Ram heavy duty 6.4 is going to get the recommendation for this new OE 0W40 oil. So if that's something that interests you, then by all means reach out. My email and contact information and stuff will be down in the description. So if you stuck around to this part and you're interested in getting some AMSOIL, typically there's free shipping for preferred customers over $100. Well, right now they're running a promotion where any order over $49 will ship for free, using with a promo code. It's great for any small order. You need something, need to pick up some stuff for the lawnmower, dirt bike, motorcycle. A lot of those are lower cost things. It's hard to hit that $100 for the free shipping, and it's just a real nice way for you to be able to make a smaller order. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope everyone has a great week, and feel free to reach out if you got any questions, comments, and thank you guys for watching.